This is Mark from the ATV guys, and this is Project Shogun. This is my good buddy Jason's machine. He practically killed it and destroyed it, riding it like he stole it. So we're actually putting it back together, doing a pretty cool build with it. So we call it Shogun. So you know, Japanese themed. That's the only thing I'm going to say to you right now. But Jason has run into a problem. Jason is the type of guy that buys everything that the dealer's going to tell him to buy. So he's got this bumper, he's got this roof and all this stuff. And he bought these, I don't know what you call these. They call these mirrors. But this is the absolute worst junk I ever put. This is a $30,000 Canadian dollar bike, including taxes and everything. 30 grand, and you put these pieces of junk on it. So we went over to see our friends at Kimpex, and this is what I got Jason. The brand new, well, not brand new. They've been out there for a few years. It's the Seizmik mirrors, the Pursuit. These are, in my view, the best bang for the buck mirror that money can buy right now. These are foldable, can take an impact, and they're 360 degree. You can rotate them to fit this type of cage, and it won't look weird, you know. Like, so these are worth about close to 200 bucks, and you can even get inserts, colored inserts, to match your machine. So we're going to install these today, and we're going to show you how they look. And the coolest thing about it, and it's written here, guaranteed for life. Knowing Jason, we're probably going to claim on that warranty and see if Seizmik is good on their word. So let's install these things. Very important, the instructions. Pretty simple. There we go. These are looking pretty good. This is cast aluminum, pretty tight. Should be able to resist. And what's fun about them, come here, is the glass actually moves on the inside. The difference is pretty staggering though. Pretty intense, because they're like an automotive mirror. So you get a lot of visibility in the back. And Jason is finally going to be able to see where he's going when he backs this thing up, because before you can't see anything out back of these things. So you need mirrors on these. So $193.99 or $95. You can get these through Kimpex or your local authorized Kimpex dealer, which is just about any dealer in Canada that sells ATVs, UTVs. So you can get these. Actually, best bang for the buck. I'm still stoked about these. This is the third set I install on one of my machines or friends' machines, and they've held up pretty good. So we're going riding.